1, 2, 3. Let's put this out together. Let's go. Oh, this is so fine. This is so beautiful. You can see how beautiful this design is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make use of your heat press machine in just a short video. It's very easy. You can start up your t-shirt printing business in your house, at the corner of your house, with just your heat press machine, and you don't need any tutorial. Just watch this video as we go. So this is my heat press machine here. This is the design I will be printing on my t-shirt. I just ordered for this. You can go to where they produce it and you get one, or you get plenty as you want. And as order this cotton t-shirt as well, you can print on any type of material, satin, any type of material, but this is kind of a cotton and the elastin joined together. It's not pure cotton, okay? Is all these t-shirt that normally expand. And this is my heat press machine. I just got it. This is first time I'm using it, so I just want to test run it before using it for any kind of business. So first, you plug it to a power supply. You can see I've already plugged it, and here is the power button. After you plug it, you on it here, and you can see that light where the temperature and timer is indicating. And this is how the inside is. It comes with these two stuffs on that. I don't know if what is called, whether it's called Teflon or what, but it comes with this. All heat pressing machine comes with this. You can buy the Teflon paper if you want, but with that Teflon paper you can actually do your work. You don't need it. So before printing on this t-shirt, first I'm going to just place it this way. I want to print that design at the front side, so I'm going to set it this way. Okay, you can hit it first if it's not level, like if it's not ironed, you understand. So now after that, you now put your design on top. So this design is still sealed. I'm just going to open it before placing it on the t-shirt. After opening, you can see the front, you can see the back. So I'm going to just place it like this on the t-shirt. This is actually kind of getting rough because there's no place it well. So you mark the place you want to put the design on your t-shirt. After you mark it, go ahead and arrange it very well. So I'm just going to remove it and set this very well. Just set it very well so you don't make mistake with your printing. After setting it, I'm just going to go ahead and place it this way. You can see that I want to put that design at the front part of the t-shirt, so the front side is facing upward, right? So if you want to put it at the back, you have to make the back face upward, just like this. It's still hot, so I'm going to hit this very well just to make sure that the t-shirt is ironed. You know, remember, you can use this your heat press machine for your ironing, for stoning your clothes. I hope you know. So this is the temperature setting and the timer setting. Okay, that's where you will see the timer and the temperature. You can set the temperature at any point that you want, 200, 300. You set the timer. The maximum timer you can set for this detail printing is 1 minute. 1 minute is very, very okay. After that, you just remove it. Some material will even require you to set it to 30 seconds so you don't burn your clothes. Okay, so I'm just going to arrange this way to make sure that it's arranged very well, because the design is already removing. They did not package it very well before bringing it. You can see the design is already removed, so I'm just going to make sure that I place it very well so I don't have a dirty work. So I'm going to go ahead now and arrange it. Make sure that it's at the center of the t-shirt. If it's by the side, you just mark the place that you want to place the design, and then arrange it very well. After that, I'm going to close it down. I set it as 30 seconds. So immediately I close it, the seconds will start leading. Okay, the timer will start leading. You don't need to press any other thing. You can see where the temperature is. This temperature setting, and this is timer setting. You can see it here. So now I'm just going to allow it to lead. Okay, turn it on. It was off before, so after I turn it on, you can see the temperature. You can set it or you can leave it there. Sometimes if the weather is hot, the temperature gets to adjust by itself. So now I'm setting it. You can see I set it as 2 something, so I'm going to take it back to 200. 200 is okay because the weather is very hot. And the timer, I'm going to set the timer to 30 seconds. 30 seconds is very okay. After that, if I feel like it did not heat very well, I can still go ahead and do another 30 seconds. This is my first time of using this heat press, so I don't want it to burn my clothes, but you can set it to 1 minute if you want. So it's at 30 seconds. This is where you adjust your timer. If you want it to be 5 minutes, if you are stoning your dress, you can make it up to 2 minutes so that the stones will be attached very well. You remember the work of this heat press machine. You can use it to stone your clothes, to iron your clothes, to do your DTF design and all. It's very, very good. So after this, I'm just going to allow it to reach that 30 seconds. So you can see that after the 30 seconds, the alarm just beeped and I have to remove it. So now I feel like it have not sticked very well. So I'm going to close it again and allow it to stay for another 30 seconds. So this time around, I don't need to set it again because I've already set it to be at 30 seconds. I'll just close it and allow it to be. Immediately is that 30 seconds, the alarm will just beep and I have to open it. So after this second 30 seconds, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. But before then, you don't have to rush to remove it. As it's still very hot, you have to allow it to cool down, because if you try to remove it while it's still hot, most times the design will just peel off with the film. Okay, so you allow it to cool down. Make sure it cool down small. If you are printing some plenty t-shirts, you have, after this you remove it, put another one and keep them. Then when they might have cooled down, you now go ahead and remove it. So now I feel like it have cooled down, I'll just go ahead and remove it. You can see how easy it is. It's very, very easy, and you can see the design I've already sticked. No mess up, it's just they're very fine. You can see it. You can see how the letters are bold. Be the reason someone smiles today. You can see the letters that are written on it. So guys, if you feel like this video is interesting, that you learned something, please do well to help me like this video. Be the reason I smart today. And if you feel that the video is not well detailed, please help me drop on the comment section. This was the first time I was trying to test run the heat press machine. I'll go ahead and do a detailed video on how to use it. If you feel like you still haven't learned a thing or how to use the heat press machine, please drop on the comment section. I'll try my best to make a very detailed video of how to use it. You can see the design. You can start your t-shirt printing business with just this machine. You can start it. Just go and get a design, a DTF design, and come back and print on it at the corner of your house. See you next time when I post another video. Bye.